what's up guys, how you doing today? So a company by the name of One Car Stereo reached out to me, and they let me know about this new product that they just got in. It's something that I personally have been looking at for a while now, and I've actually been wanting to get it for my BRZ. I think it's going to be very useful for all of us second gen GR86 BRZ owners, and pretty much anybody that has Apple Carplay or Android Auto on their car, especially if you're like me and on this gen car it does not come with wireless Apple CarPlay. So a solution to that is getting a wireless CarPlay adapter. What makes this new CarPlay adapter special is that it has a multifunctional ability, so you can use YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming services on your infotainment system in the car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so check it out. This is going to be the packaging. It's pretty small. It's, you know, as big as my iPhone 13 mini, which is very, very small. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy here. Just got my little knife. And there she is, the One Car Stereo AI Box Lite. Brand new in box. Really stoked to check this thing out. It feels nice and sturdy, not cheap at all. So let's go ahead and get in there. And this right here is the CarPlay adapter itself. So you can see right here is the little connection dongle, and this is the actual AI Box Lite. It's pretty satisfying. Awesome, man. Looks legit. This is pretty cool. It looks like it's got plenty of ventilation. You know, I'm sure this is being a Bluetooth/Wi-Fi compatible device, something you worry about overheating, but looks like this is pretty quality, man. So there you go. That's about all you get in the box. You get your user manuals and everything pictured there. That's about it, pretty much everything you get inside the box. Let's go ahead and check this out in my 22 BRZ. Alright guys, so we've got this standard wire in here, and whenever we close the little cup holder, get this wire sticking out. Not looking good. So let's go ahead and unplug that and throw that away. Alright, so we've got our cable that plugs into there, and we've got our One Car Stereo AI Box Lite. We'll go ahead and plug this one in as well to the side here. So it's gonna fit nice and snug, tucked away in our glove box. Let's make sure to put that in there. Sweet. Unnoticeable. Looks like it's connecting. It says enable Apple CarPlay. Do not show this again. Yes. And we're gonna pull out our phone, and we will head to settings, and we're gonna hit CarPlay on the little adapter. Connecting. So Bluetooth. See if it pops up here. It's just taking a little bit to initially set up. So I've got my Mac Mini from the inside. Allow new connections. Oops. BT2CD2. That's going to be our adapter. Connecting to iPhone. Use CarPlay with AI Box. Use CarPlay. Check it out, guys. That's all there is to it. Connected right away. All right, guys. So we are gonna go ahead and go back to the home menu. This is all while the little box is connected. So we're gonna head into Apple CarPlay, and we can go back into CarPlay if we want to listen to our music. This is what we're usually going to be doing, maybe about 90% of the time, is driving in the car listening to our music wirelessly. So just show you something right here. I'm gonna have to block out the music, of course, but copyrighted on there. We're gonna head back into the little orange square here to go back to our menu, and let's go ahead and try YouTube. I would try Netflix, but I don't have my Netflix connected to my Wi-Fi, so let's just go ahead and hit YouTube, and you can see it loads right up here. It's pretty cool because it's like a desktop screen on my car, you know, that's far out. So let's see if I can find myself. J Sauce BRZ 2022. Nice, man. That's me right there. Sweet. Now that is dope right there. Passenger airbag. Pretty simple. Pretty sweet, man. So everything is as advertised. Really no complaints about the AI box Lite. You know, it's a pretty nice little gadget. It definitely makes connecting to things in your car easier. I just wanted to quickly mention the compatibility of this. So this is an OEM head unit, and you can see all the functions work, pretty much no problems. You know, I don't have to worry about compatibility. I'm using an iPhone 13 mini, and you know, everything works pretty good. It should work with Androids, Google phones, pretty much anything that has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. It supports some aftermarket car stereos like Alpine, Pioneer, Kenwood, pretty much anything that has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in it. That's what this little AI box Lite revised version comes with. So it's got like an advanced software to you know, work with aftermarket head units. And it's really cool that they include a little USB plug, so you can go ahead and update your unit as, you know, they roll out new updates. So you're never going to be left behind. You're always going to be covered no matter what software comes out or what phone you get. I also wanted to talk about you know, the ability to watch YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, pretty much anything that you have installed on your phone, you're going to be able to watch on here or listen to on here. You can see the music apps right there. And lastly, you know, this thing is pretty competitive. You know, the price point, it's about 150, 160 bucks. You get all this functionality. It's really cool because it runs on Android software. So, you know, for those of you that are tech savvy, you can definitely mess with this and get it working to how you want it. This is the only screen in my car. I know there's some cars that have multiple screens that display CarPlay. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. As for this, I highly recommend it. I really want to give a big thanks to One Car Stereo for sending this unit out to me to test. I have no complaints so far. I wish I could play some music for you guys, but I don't have any copyright-free music on my actual phone. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. It sounds amazing, nice and crisp. So yeah, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for the One Car Stereo AI box Lite. Honestly, 10 marks all around. I really love it for the car, not having to connect with the wire, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Netflix functionality, YouTube. It's not a huge deal, but you saw how cool it was to have that on the car. Let me know what you guys think if you plan on getting one. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. They always have sales going on, so you're probably gonna get it cheaper than the advertised price. And yeah, let me know. Message me or message them. I'll put you in contact and they'll probably hook you up. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.